The Forex Freedom Bar Indicator is a forex trading technical analysis tool. It is a proprietary indicator that is based on several time frames of price movement on a specific trading asset or currency pair that the trader is attempting to analyze throughout the trading day. It is meant to give traders ideas about market trends and possible entry and exit points. In this article, we'll talk about the Forex Freedom Bar Indicator and how it might be used in a trading strategy. What is the Forex Freedom Bar Indicator? The Forex Freedom Bar Indicator is derived from the CCI, Commodity Channel Index, indicator and is shown for 4 distinct time frames. The indicator aligns all CCI readings over several time frames, enabling the identification of the point at which the CCI signals match a trend. The color blue represents an uptrend, while the color red suggests a downtrend. The Forex Freedom Bar Indicator makes it simple for the trader to figure out the exact direction of the trend for up to 4 customizable time frames. While the bars are of the same color, the trader may then make trades or search for trading setups in the direction in which all time frames are now heading throughout the trading day. Thus, the trader would easily be able to utilize the Forex Freedom Bar Indicator to select the appropriate time frames for his or her trading style. Forex Freedom Bar Indicator strategy: when all 4 time frames have the same color, we could anticipate a strong uptrend if the bars are blue and a strong downtrend if they are red. Therefore, this is an effective strategy for trading range breakouts, validating the rally. Meanwhile, we may wait for a Forex Freedom Bar on a lower time frame to change color to exit the trade, signifying a temporary rebound. Otherwise, the trade might be held until the next support or resistance level is reached. The Forex Freedom Indicator may also be used to watch and trade price corrections. For example, if the Forex Freedom Bars are colored as follows: daily, red, 4 hours, red, and 1 hour, red, but 15 minutes, blue, we may see a rebound on the 15-minute chart. So, it might be a good idea to look at the 15-minute price chart and look for good entry points for continuing the trend at the end of the retracement. Furthermore, the Forex Freedom Bar Indicator should be utilized in combination with market data and other analysis tools to make informed trading choices. The MTF Forex Freedom Indicator for MT4 generates buy and sell forex signals based on 4 different periods: 153,060,240, shown below the main trading window. It works for all currency pairs on all time frames. Trading signals: buy, wait for all MTF bars to turn blue color. Sell, wait for all MTF bars to turn red color. The Forex Freedom Trend MT4 indicator is a real trend trading indicator that delivers good results. It's composed of 4 trend bars that delivers the overall trend on the 15-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour and 4 hour charts. The bullish/bearish trends are shown in the form of bars in a separate MT4 window. How to trade with the Forex Freedom Indicator. A strong buy signal occurs when all trend bars are colored blue. In this case, the trend is strongly bullish across all aforementioned time frames. A strong sell signal occurs when all trend bars are colored red. In this case, the trend is strongly bearish across all aforementioned time frames. Forex Freedom can be traded as a standalone indicator or together with price action analysis. Use the indicator for scalping, day trading and swing trading purposes. You can modify all trend period settings from the MT4 Inputs tab. Forex Freedom Bar Indicator is based on CCI, Commodity Channel Index, indicator which is displayed for 4 different time frames. The indicator lines all CCI readings across multiple time frames, allowing to spot the moment when the CCI's signals align on a trend. Red color indicates uptrend, while blue, downtrend. There are no limits as to what time frame can be used to trade. Custom CCI time frames. The Forex Freedom Bar Indicator also allows choosing what CCI data time frames to display. For period_1, period_2, period_3, period_4, use the following parameters: time frame value monthly 43200, weekly 10080, daily 14400, 4 hour 2400, 1 hour 60/30, minimum 30/15, minimum 155, minimum 51, minimum 1. How to trade with Forex Freedom Bar Indicator. When all 4 time frames turn the same color, we could expect a strong downtrend if the bars are red, or strong uptrend if the bars are blue. This, therefore, is a good way to trade range breakouts, confirming the rally. Meanwhile, to exit the trade we could wait for a lower time frame CCI bar to turn a different color, signaling a temporary rebound. Otherwise, the trade could be held until a subsequent support or resistance level. Another possible use of the Forex Freedom Indicator is to observe and trade on price corrections. Buy signal: Forex Freedom Bar buy signal. You may open a buy position when all 4 Forex Freedom bars are blue, strongly bullish. You can set your stop loss immediately underneath the most recent swing bottom, or per your money management approach. You may take profit when a lower time frame Forex Freedom Bar turns red, indicating a brief pullback. Sell signal: Forex Freedom Bar sell signal. You may enter a sell position when 4 Forex Freedom trend bars are colored red, strongly bearish. You can set your stop loss immediately above the most recent swing high or per your money management strategy. You may take profit when a lower time frame